Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer billing UI from Stripe checkout to Stripe Elements. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in the dashboard. Select the API Keys option to retrieve your publishable and secret keys. On your website, remove all existing Stripe checkout implementations from your code. Install the stripe.js library by adding the necessary script tag to your HTML document. Next, create a form that includes fields for any information you need, like the card number, expiration date, and CVC. Use the Stripe Elements library to create a card input form. Initialize Stripe Elements by calling Stripe with your publishable key. Use elements.createCard to create an instance of the card element. Mount the card element to the designated div in your form with card.mount. Add an event listener to handle form submission when the user clicks the Submit button. Inside the event listener, prevent the default form submission behavior. Use stripe.createToken card to generate a token from the card element. Handle the response from the token creation in a callback function. If the token creation is successful, send the token along with the other form data to your server. If there's an error, display it to the user instead. On your server, handle the incoming data and use the secret key to create a charge or customer object with the token. Return a success or error message back to the client based on the server response. Display the success or error message on the front end as appropriate. Test the entire flow thoroughly to ensure that everything works seamlessly. Finally, make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.